In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily copy Telegram profile link. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Telegram app. Then head over to settings and then right here tap on edit. Then hit add username, and first of all make sure that you have set your username. If that field is empty, just come up with the username, and after that you will be able to hit right here at your profile link, and that will open up share options, and that's where you can hit add copy link to copy it to the clipboard, or also you will be able to share this link with some Telegram contact by selecting them, or you can hit add share icon again and then select another way how you can share this link. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Telegram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.